Hello, lovely people. It's in DJ Park or Rich. I have a friend fancy YouTube. Na fact to be what better what distorting, but I'm not too cool and pleased with it because me quarren, and you know there I'm a man, I hate lies. That is why always on my timeline I find out Kesi be there be lie. Yes, because me patcher, me pakwishisem, me palata. So if you're nigga sister Fefe or Kota Krade Empire FM na somebody could to go one asam no yan kwara facts or your true or your true salmon or can yente the masami.
Let me tell you something that people don't know. Kasapa was the radio station that introduced at work.
People should just stop lying. People, all these females, they should stop lying. This
Kasapa FM introduced at work, but Kasapa FM was the radio station that introduced at work. That Obiba interview I had in a picture. Etoso. Because I took that with me to OKFM.
Okay, you introduced it there.
Yeah, and I learned it from Bula.
First of all, with all due respect, Radio 5 would say where you the show we had see beautiful girl me check who too much. Yes, what happened as now you my favorites me check feeling daddy wapum now the same level I they check it too much but man said that what better now my sister if you wait the mark and you also have the pride and a zeal to do artwork of the more or church that's out the EIB. The first radio station another Kasapa to do artworks for people. Abra worry by interview. Maybe so. Those days I was in there, don't blow your own horns now. Good bees do not rattle na daman or you bogus. The fact I'm a pedamature the EIB nankasa what's when it be year. EIB was around 2015. I stand to be corrected. But meaning part of EIB or around 2015. Now before what's EIB? We had the likes of Plus FM. I mean the likes of Kwame Jokoto, no GM, na no to Jando, and you na no to Jando when it comes to urban radio. Onye nyimpa was an ohagwer. And na nyama warrior were plus and or your magical. Sure. You understand? Before the 2015 and day, EIB burning and the artworks on radio no that. Plus FM, I can put my hands. Motume says Marco an authority that I birthed this idea with Dr. Pounds, and this artwork was Reggie Rackstone or by interviewer Plus FM Hip Hop GH. Those days, do Saturday Kasahari version, Kasahari nature more benny. So it is like Dr. Pounds, Ojina baby or rekade on and or yeah, rap show or radio. No, Dr. Duncan, big boss, inti Obiaza, one fan of flowers, one fair man. You come had a mazen or yeah, and whole technical people behind the scenes, people that create things. We don't acknowledge them. Yeriana, Yeriba presenters and CEOs and Adamuko Funumonizin. No hell on it. So, Mama be and Kajina baby from and then Kede EIB Kasapa want to introduce artworks. I'm not saying that it could be only me that birthed that idea. But for EIB to claim that one of year another Kasapa, if you ever can one year no ya push some to the highest degree. Or your tree or your latter, because this news is coming from Takrade. Now EIB nankasa station alana 1 year. EIB the entire network stations from Agowo Eastern Ultimate to Kumase Star Viber wayan live in a Kasapani Nara or your Bahamus Electronics. And if you don't know Bahamus Electronics, he's the owner of Plus FM. Kamabaka Kubiaka or TV station, but on Sisia. He's the original owner of it. Na zono oribe ye station amo na wo na ebe chen. Aho na the idea be mo nusua ya. Ebe onya no kwai GH1 mpo oye Plus FM would new run no see. See, let me tell you, when it comes to visualizing radio in this town, they can't write the history and take my name out. Those days in our Plus FM, what bus system we introduce live events, live coverage, and there were yes, I mean first and a live Plus FM or the live radio with the case you were now outside broadcast. That was when I introduced. Because if you are baby a stage in the auditorium and one pandits and another text phenomena, Mikey Yamwa nomina, Johnny Hughes phenomena, they can actually see who audience. So I introduced that concept of visualizing radio and see me the cameras called auditorium inside and I me the feed now my monitors now our desk Canada. So they see what is happening there. Plus FM, I went in there. Mukwa Plus FM, and we. You see, one thing about me, obi on my radio, on the TV, that when I come to a media group, I create my own department. Mr. Hope FM, 2007, 2008, Mukwa when I was a cassette, and I was a recording with programs. I introduced cool edits there. Anybody will attest to that. So when I came to Plus FM, me family, when we introduce something we call Plus Digital. So every event be a book be an yetra near to social media near to YouTube na hat in there on an abe Juma Mankofu was win. It's mamo be and kajina baby claim it there on and all the artwork or the bar radio do on all the bay na EIB na what or your chur or your question. This thing way if you talk. Make she not talk again, make you check the facts. Because when it comes to innovative ideas, sub-sebi mu binom nyame za che and you start in a binom we busy. Don't you blow your horn. But ya shefo ma cha ye nkasa. Nhwana wonyim ne ze wonyim. You understand? Come to talk of Facebook Live in there why a bebre mo biali ye bibisa. I started streaming on Plus FM long ago, but then I confirmed technology now say until when you had the jump on streaming with YouTube now say I started Facebook TV quite early in this country with a channel our friend Gold Coast Television. Check it on Facebook. Now check how long it's been there and stuff that I was doing. There were times VGAB. I found a way to get VGA on Facebook when they were not even streaming. All that they did was to do YouTube and all that. And then there was light off in the whole country. Like Accra. So I was streaming it on my wall. And people, they watch keke. So this thing where if you are talking as a Mr. America won't say you or your latter, it is not the truth. And say, yeah. Or when no conwin to know and then when I was starting Madam Sister Ping and Mr. Wa correct fact EIB and you wonder what the artworks what about radio though. Never. Plus FM what you and I was there. Sammy was there, Dr. Pounds was there.
Let me tell you something that people don't know. Kasapa was the radio station that introduced artwork.
People should just stop lying. People, all these females, they should stop lying. They
have to stop lying.
Kasapa FM introduced artwork, but Kasapa FM was the radio station that introduced artwork. That Obiba interview I had in a picture. Etoso. Because I took that with me to OKFM.
Okay, you introduced it there.
Yeah, and I learned it from Bola.
Oyana Choir, Artworks, Plus FM, EIB Watson in 2015. Plus FM was way back around 2012, 2011. And so I then what be take lead with them system. Oyana Choir, be true. be true. Until this is the fact, and I'm as that one. Obi onyimi biano onte. On your back checks, no one then acquire some Namakan. And we should appreciate people that are behind the craft, that are behind knowledge, concepts, and let's celebrate them. We'll do this. I hire fan to YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and let's vibe some more. Yeah, say baby, yeah. Hey, another fucking sale. Oh my rich